Okay, this video is a quick tutorial on how to use the DroidGuru Web interface to control a robot remotely from your web browser. So first thing is I have Firefox open. You can use Chrome also. And then in the address bar, I'm going to go to the DroidGuru Web app. That's DroidGuru.net, DroidGuru.net. So once I type that in the address bar, that's going to bring up the user interface. Alright, so the first thing I do is click here where it says login register, and then in a little pop-up that comes up, I'm going to click login as a guest, which is the second option. Alright, and once I log in as a guest, the join rooms panel will show a list of rooms. And if you look to the side here, this first number, 1 out of 20, shows how many people are in that room. So I want to join the room that has the robot that I want to remotely connect to. So in this case, Wheels is the only one with a participant in it. So I'm going to click the Wheels row. All right, and then that's going to bring up the room members panel. So the room members panel has a list of all the other participants in this room. So you can see here now the number of participants has increased to 2 out of 20, 20 being the maximum in that room. So this is the other participants, which is the drone patrol robot. So I select the robot that I want to connect to, and then it comes up in the Gamecube. And a couple things you'll notice is first the robot camera appears, and then a game countdown timer begins. So once the game countdown is over, the virtual joystick appears, and I have control of the robot now. So the room camera is not available at this time, but you can see the camera from the robot. So I just move the joystick around, forward to move forward, move it down to move backwards, and then right, left. Now the one thing about controlling the robot is when you move the joystick, as soon as you release it, it will recenter. So recentering the joystick is the same as stop. So if you want the robot to stop, just let go of the joystick and it will snap back to the center position. All right, otherwise I can just explore. And there's a delay because we're doing stuff over the internet. So the main, especially with the image, so the main thing is you want to let go of the joystick before you want to stop. So as I have it going here, I'm going to let go before I get to the thing. Otherwise you might bump into something because of the lag. But I can always go around and explore. Oops, I went a little too fast. So yeah, you want to kind of jog the joystick in the direction you want. Now you can have finer motion control with the jog and power, but that'll explain those in another video. But as you can see, the remaining timer is winding down, so that's letting me know how much time I have left available until the joystick is hidden again and I no longer have control of the robot, so when it closes down. And that's a variable the host can set, so you can set that for as long as you want. As long as you want the user to use it. So yeah, just drive it around, make sure I don't bump into anything. Just drive around. Alright, so the countdown timer is stopping. Alright, so that ends my session of controlling that robot. Now if I want to go to control that same robot again, I can go to room members and select that robot from the panel, drop down again. Otherwise, I can just log out. Alright, once you log out, you leave the room and you no longer see the members area. And then there's a log out message here in the command logs panel. And that's it. That's how you use the DroidGuru app. All right, thank you. That concludes this tutorial.